Hello from Slovenia again. I'm just playing with paint today and I come to the stage that I thin down my paints as much that I think that only thing that I can do is try to do a Dutch pour. So let's do it. This is permanent magenta and some cyan blue. Probably I'm adding too much paint. I didn't do a successful Dutch pour till today. So Windsor blue, and let's add some of this bronze gold. Pour white around and around. Let's see. When you watch all the other artists that do this beautiful Dutch pours, it looks so easy, but when you try it yourself, I just can't do a nice Dutch pour. Probably I don't blow right or something, you see? I just always get this blank spot here in the middle. Maybe I shouldn't have pour white around. Let's try to blow it without pouring white around. See what I'm doing? Just a big mess. Maybe my hair dryer is not okay. I don't know. Maybe this is important too. I have here something splits here. Here. But I don't know, I kind of like this painting. Maybe I will leave it. Has a lot of nice details in it, but I don't know, maybe there is some silicone from my yesterday's live somewhere, because I get these weird spots. I will leave it because I kind of like it. So strange. I like some of this blue and iridescent blue-green here in the middle. I'm afraid to tilt it more because I think that I will lose these cells that they are quite cool. Let me pause you and take you down for a close-up. So, see, I did get some nice details, but it's not a Dutch pour. This is my favorite part, probably. I don't know if you can see. Shimmers a little bit, and I like this part too. There are quite some parts that I really like, and this one. So, my Dutch pour, that it didn't turn out as a Dutch pour again, but it never does. This is it for today, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.